So the second part is number 5. So go ahead and read question number 5 to yourself, and let's see how we can break this down and make it make sense. So you're reading question number 5 right now to yourself. So in 2 years, Tom will be twice as old as Sue. In 2 years, comma, all of that stuff happened. In 2 years, comma, all of this took place. So we know there's something about the number 2. So that's good to know. But first, let's find where our equal sign is located. Will be. Nice. What 2 people are in this question? Do you remember? Yeah, you're right. It's Tom and Sue. I'm going to put T for Tom over here and Sue here. Notice I didn't put them too close to the equal sign, kind of spaced them out, because I know Tom is on the left and Sue is on the right. Cool. And I know this is in 2 years. This whole thing happened. So if you look back at the chart, in 2 years was, what was it? You're right, +2. So we're going to add a +2 to both sides, because this entire problem happened in 2 years in the future. But there's a word up there we haven't used yet. Do you see it? Do you spot it? You spot the word? Do you see it? Yep, the word twice. What does the word twice mean? Twice. If someone earned twice as much as you, what does that mean? You're right, multiply by 2. So we're going to multiply this side of the equation by 2. And I mean everything about Sue. We're going to multiply it by 2. So it's twice Sue's age in 2 years. So the parentheses are mandatory, okay? Let's try the next one. In 3 years, Gina will be 3 times as old as Tommy. Cool. Okay, let me read that one more time. In 3 years, comma, all of this happened. Gina will be 3 times as old as Tommy. Let's find our equal sign. That'll help. Will be. Nice. Who are we dealing with? What are the 2 people? We got Gina, we got Tommy. I'm going to go with G for Gina and T for Tommy. And notice I gave him a little space in there. In 3 years. In 3 years. How old will you be in 3 years? Did you add 3 to get that? And 3 years is in the future. We will be adding 3 to both sides, because this whole question happened in 3 years. Cool. All right. But there's something up in that question we didn't use. Do you spot it? Read it again if you don't. Read it one more time. In 3 years, Gina will be 3 times. 3 times. We didn't use 3 times. 3 times everything that happened to Tommy. Okay? So now what I want you to do is take some time to do 7 and 8. Go for it. You can pause the video here. I'm going to go over them now, but pause the video. You try them yourself. Okay, cool. Welcome back. So we have Sally was, we have our equal sign there. We have Sally and we have Nina. 1 year ago. 1 year ago. That was in the past. So if someone said, hey, Teresa, how old are you? How old were you 1 year ago? I'd be, well, I'm 52 right now. Take away 1, I was 51, right? Ago in the past is that subtraction. So we're going to take 1 away from both sides. But again, just like every question thus far, there's something that we haven't kind of dealt with yet. What is it? That twice word, right? So it's 2 times everything we know about Miss Nina 1 year ago. Cool. Let's try the last one of these. So we have 2 years ago, Cole was twice as old as Hannah. So we have Cole, we have Hannah. 2 years ago, that was in the past. I'm 52 years ago, because I take my current age and I subtract 2. Whatever I do to one side, I do it to the other. So twice is what we haven't tackled yet. There we go. Cool beans. Well, I'm really proud of you. Good job. Now we've, in isolation, tackled both parts of the equation. The next video and the last video, we're going to learn how to put both of these together and create 2 for a single question. Come back.